Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to find winning products for dropshipping on TikTok. TikTok is one of the most popular and fast-growing social media platforms in the world, and it offers a huge opportunity for dropshippers to reach millions of potential customers. And today, I'm going to walk you through the whole process step by step using just TikTok and a website called shophunter.io, which is a powerful tool that helps you find and analyze the hottest products in any niche. By the end of the video, you'll have a list of proven products that you can start selling on TikTok right away. So to get started, head to tiktok.com. So we're going to head over to tiktok.com and we're going to go up to the search bar at the top here. And the first thing we want to search for is I want a refund. And that's going to bring up a bunch of different TikToks that have used this term, I want a refund, very popular term to use at the moment. So let's just take a look at the products and let's have a look at this one here, some sort of scrubber. And what we want to do is go to the page up here and then grab the link to the shop. And we're going to open that in another tab. We're just going to take a look at the product so we can see it here with all the photos and the features. And now we want to go to a website called shophunter.io. And that's this one here. And we want to sign up in the top right-hand corner. So you need to create an account with your name, your email, and a password. And once you've done that, you'll need to confirm your registration by checking your emails and clicking the link. And it's going to bring you back to this page where you need to sign in. And that's going to bring you to this dashboard. We want to go up to the top bar where it says My Shop Hunter, and we want to come down to Add Shop. And in here, we're going to paste the link that we just grabbed and click Add Shop. And that's going to bring up all the analytics for this shop. So here it shows you in the last 30 days, this shop has made $3,676, which is pretty good, but I think we can do a little bit better than that. So let's head back to TikTok and find something else. And one thing to pay attention to is the number of views the TikTok has had. So that one we just looked at has only had 7,000 views, but let's take a look at this one here, which has had 1.9 million. And this is some sort of blender. And we're going to head over to the page. We're going to grab the link. And here we can see this is the website. And just as before, we're going to head over to Shop Hunter with that link. And we go up to Shop Hunter, click on Add Shop, and paste it in there. And let's see what numbers this shop's doing. So even better, this one's at 9,401 for the last 30 days. And if we scroll down here, if the shop has multiple products for sale, it will show you which ones are the best performing. So in this case, it is that blender that we saw. And you can also filter by week or day. So this is doing about $285 a day. Let's just grab one more. Let's try a different term. Instead of I want a refund, let's take a look at TikTok made me buy this. And as you can see, this has brought up some different products to the ones we just saw. Let's take a look at this one here. Head to the page, grab the link, and then head to My Shop Hunter, add shop, and paste it in. And this one is doing $786 a day or $25,000 a month. So this one is a really good one to take a look at. And if we scroll down, we can take a look at all the products, and the best-selling one is the Samsung privacy case. If we head up to My Shop Hunter again and go to My Track Shops, that's going to show you all of the shops we've just added, and they're going to be ordered from highest revenue to lowest revenue. So that's a really great way to keep track of all the different shops you've had a look at. And we can also go back up to My Shop Hunter and go to Tracked Shops Product Leaderboard. And that's going to show you all of the products across all of the shops, and it's going to rank them based on revenue. So whilst the tech website was the one that was doing the best, and it does have the best performing product, the Scrub Doctor actually has the second best performing product, even though that shop overall had the lowest revenue. So this is a really helpful page to find the products that are selling the best. And that's it. That's how you find winning products for dropshipping on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful and learn how to find really great products on TikTok. Thanks for watching.